MacromiLL has been updated. Exciting news for all MacromiLL members. First, scroll all the way down to the MacromiLL ebook series section. Expand it, and you'll find two incredible new resources available for free download. The first is the Newcomer's Guide to CNC Macro Programming, a comprehensive 300-plus page book, perfect for anyone looking to get started with CNC programming or refresh their skills. Next, we have Mastering High-Level CNC Macro Programming, also now available for free download. This book will take your skills to the next level with advanced techniques and in-depth coverage. But that's not all. Now, head over to the SmartSolve Suite section. Expand it, and you'll find two brand new modules. The role of trigonometry in CNC macro development. Arithmetic functions in CNC macro programming. These modules dive deep into key topics, helping you understand the essential mathematical principles used in CNC macro programming. As always, these updates are available for you once you log in. Not a member yet? No problem. Join the MacromiLL team today at www.macromill.online or follow the links in the comments below to get started. MacromiLL, your registered company training solution provider.